morning, guys, and I hope you all had a great weekend. This video is to give you the rundown of what to expect this week and also address some concerns that many of you all, well, just common concerns that I've been seeing. One, we need to make sure we're watching the videos. The videos are there to help you. They're as if we had an in-person lesson. As we know, if we were in class, we wouldn't be able to just hop to the exit ticket without my lecture first. So let's make sure that we're watching the videos because I can tell that we're not watching them. One, because we're not actually doing the same skills that's in the video, and two, I can see the number of views. So let's make sure we're watching the videos before we hop into our work if there is a video for that day. Number two, make sure we're logging in during office hours. If you all have questions, my office hours are Mondays and Wednesdays from 1 to 3. Whether you have a tech question or you have questions about completing the work or you can't submit it, like log in during that time. That's when you can ask your questions. I see a lot of people, consistent people in the comments, but you have concerns, but you're not joining my office hours. So let's make sure we're joining during that time so that I can be able to assist you then as well. Okay. So now let's go ahead and go over to the work that the rundown for this week. So you'll go ahead and scroll down to week 4. Of course, yours will look a little bit different than mine because I'm on a teacher view. For today, we're continuing on with compound sentences, simple and compound sentences. So you're going to complete the worksheet, and it's basically you're taking two sentences and you're combining them together to make a compound sentence. Make sure you use that comma and conjunction in order for it to be a compound sentence, okay? On Tuesday, you're going to write, first you're going to watch a short video on personal hygiene, and then you're going to write a response answering the prompt within using 4 to 6 sentences. Let's make sure we're reading all the information that's under the CFS. As I've always told you in class, this is not here for decoration. This is always here to guide you so you can get a successful grade. All right. On Wednesday, we don't have any school, so you don't see anything there. On Thursday, you will first watch the PowerPoint presentation on sentence variety, and then you will complete the worksheet. So you're going to read a short passage, and you're going to see where you can make corrections on changing those simple sentences into compound sentences. All right. And then on Friday, basically it's going to be when I'm leaving comments, you're going to be able to go back and make those revisions and corrections to your work. Last week, I know we had some issues. This is all new to Miss Mitchell as well, but I've been able to figure out what was the issue on why you couldn't go back to change your answer. I figured that out. So this week, when I'm asking you to do that, you will be able to do it. Again, if you all have any questions, definitely reach out to me via text or a phone call. And most importantly, definitely join those office hours because that is a designated time for you all to use if you all have questions. If you're like, where's office hours? How do I join? You go under important information, you click office hours, and you'll click that link. Okay? All right. Well, thank you all. Have a great week and be safe.